So now that you have the basics of how posts come together, let's dig in a little bit deeper into a specific post and how you can mark it up a bit more. So go back to our post on the iPhone 13. You'll see I've added a bit more text to it about some of the things that might be in there. So let's look at what we can do. As you saw before, this is the block editor. So these are all different blocks. They're treated as separate little pieces of content that you can do things with, and you have different settings for the blocks. Right now, they're all just text. There's some different things we can do. So for one, I have these two headings in here, this multi-user support and portless design. A couple of things I could do. You see any text that have bold, italic, and link and some of that. So I could just highlight this and make it bold, and that would break things up a little bit. That would be okay. A better way to go, though, would be to change the type of block into a different heading. Let's unbold those. Let's get back in here. You see it's a paragraph. If we click on paragraph, we can change it to something else. The quote and the columns, lots of different things we can do. Let's just make it a heading. And there's different sizes of heading, from H1 being the biggest to H6 being the smallest. The way they show up on your site is completely dependent on your theme. But in general, the title is going to show up as an H1. So anything in your content should be an H2. And if you have like a subheading, it could be a 3. So let's have an H2 there. We'll do the same with this one. Make this a heading 2. Other things you can do, of course, you could say, may support multiple users. This would be great on the phone. It would be amazing on the iPad. So I want to italicize amazing to show off how good that could be. And then I have more in here. I say, to learn more about what might be in there, check out this great article on Tom's Guide. So I have a link to a website over here I want to put in. So I'd say, check out this great article on Tom's Guide. If I highlight that, hit link, I can paste it in and save it, and there's a link. What's neat, though, if you link to other content on your site, which you should link to old blog posts you've written to other pages. It's even easier to link that. So you could say, if you have other questions, just contact me. You can highlight contact me, and you hit the link button. You can paste in an address or start searching for things on your site. So you start typing contact, and say, oh, there's contact me. And so now that links to your contact page just that quickly. So it's very easy to take care of that and get things linked around. And again, always be encouraging users to see old post viewers that back up what you're saying, or link to other sites for more info. Lots of great things you can do. The other big thing you want to do, of course, is images, and we'll tackle that in the next video.